Hi there and Merry Christmas. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Brian Lapis. This is a special extended version of the 22 News Storm Team video forecast. With football on TV right now, I thought I'd give you a typical version of our 22 News Storm Team forecast here at wwlp.com. So you'll get the full deal here with conditions as we head into the early evening hours and then our 22 News Storm Team forecast over the next 7 days. By the way, we're recording this just around 5 o'clock here on Christmas afternoon, so that gives you a little gauge of when things are happening as we show you the current conditions. Looking forward here, 22 News Storm Team forecast here for the next 3 days. It's going to be chilly and windy here through the middle of the week, and actually it gets colder as we head toward the end of the week. Mid-20s here tomorrow, windy, breezy, but brighter on Wednesday, 22, and that's not a typo. High temperatures in the low teens here on Thursday. Clouds and radar, again recording this evening video forecast just before 5 o'clock on Christmas afternoon. You can see that the snow from earlier is long gone. We got that brisk wind though out of the west-northwest, so occasionally a little pockets of snow showers are moving in, especially in the Berkshires and in the hills to the west of the Connecticut River. So a few flurries are certainly a possibility, but generally the trend is going to be for dry weather here as we head through the upcoming week. Here's our clouds and radar. Wider view shows that wind out of the west bringing in those streaks of snow, and again the chance for a flurry, but there's no significant storminess here. All of this snow shower activity is a result of the Great Lakes. So for the most part, as we head through the week, our weather will be dry. It's just going to be cold. Temperatures as we record this just before 5 o'clock are in the lower 30s, so any melting that happened earlier today with high temperatures in the mid-30s will result in refreezing if that snow melt is not treated. So watch out for slippery spots out there tonight. This gives you a good indication of where temperatures are going with our 22 News Storm Team temperature cast. So temperatures lower to middle 20s as early as 7 o'clock here this evening. So we'll be below freezing, we'll be breezy, so the air is going to feel like it's in the mid to lower teens out there as we head into the evening hours. So be prepared for that if you're heading out and about. And we start out in the teens and lower 20s here tomorrow morning. Notice 17 Northampton, 18s in Westfield and Springfield, and it will be breezy tomorrow morning, so it'll feel like it's in the single digits, and obviously there'll be icy patches out there. So watch your step and drive carefully here tomorrow. Temperatures are slow to warm up here tomorrow. I expect mid-20s for high temperatures. The computer's a little bit more conservative. Notice at noontime, lower 20s, but we're looking at a high temperature tomorrow afternoon of 24 to 28. And then quickly, we drop into the teens here tomorrow night into early Wednesday morning. This is 5 o'clock Wednesday with some temperatures in the single digits. In fact, there might be some places in western Franklin County that are close to zero here to start the day on Wednesday, and that means that high temperatures won't make it out of the lower 20s we expect here on Wednesday afternoon. So here's our 22 News Storm Team forecast for Monday evening, Christmas night. So tonight, scattered clouds and windy, 14 to 20 for the overnight low. Then for tomorrow, a windy mixture of sun and clouds and a high of 24 to 28. Here's our 22 News Storm Team 7-day forecast. So windy here tomorrow, mid-20s, breezy on Wednesday, 22 degrees. Notice these temperatures are around and below zero as we head into the second half of the week. 12 for the high on Thursday, 14 some flurries on Friday. There's a chance of some light snow potentially here on Saturday. This is not a done deal yet, but our next chance at any accumulating snow, if it happens, would be the first half of the weekend. 15 for the high, 17 on Sunday, sun-cloud mix, and then windy and bright here on Monday, 15 degrees. We'll continue to update the forecast, and while football is on early this evening, we will be on TV on time tonight on 22 News at 10 on the CW Springfield and on 22 News at 11. We'll see you then.